We got some Jack Daniels here from Lynchburg, Tennessee. Okay, that's where Jack Daniels from, okay? I think it's made in a dry county. They're not even allowed to drink in that county. It's weird, right? Hey, Google that. So we got our Jack. Are we going all in with our Jack? Is Lynchburg, Tennessee a dry county? Yes. Exactly, exactly. You're not supposed to be drinking there. But I'm pretty sure some dudes at the Jack Daniels factory are drinking Jack right now. Next now, we coming behind that with some sour apple pucker, all right? What's wrong with drinking on Sunday? Nothing. Sunday's one of the best days to drink. That's the day off. You ever notice the priest with the communion wine? Whatever left over, because it's been blessed, he got to finish. Wow, that's a real weird color green. Okay, now guys, this like an apple juice concentrate. Oh yeah. I know what it looks like. You don't need to put that in the comments. Everybody knows, okay? Grow up. Grow up now, act like an adult. Okay, let me show you what to do now in a situation like this. You pour your little Jack in here like this, right? Then you seal her up. And now you got a better flow. Look at that, look at that. Okay, Pepto-Bismol at work. Okay? Okay, now you give this a nice little shake. Y'all gotta grow up, okay? Grow up. Now I grab my little knife here. I'm gonna cut my apple like so, okay? You know, in some cultures they eat the core, right? Okay, not this one though. Now if I was trapped in the wild, during the apocalypse, I'm eating cores, okay? But we ain't there yet. We close, but not yet. Now check this bad boy out. You open this back up. And you slide these down the hatch, okay? Because you need a little decoration in there. This Tipsy Bartender, you can't put out an ugly drink unless it got a bunch of candy on it. Guys, you dying in the United States, hey, me too. It's a ton of booze, that's all alcohol. We bring in the electric part. Mountain Dew! Now let's see if this layers or something. It might not work, this might stay the same color, I don't know. I'm trying to pour directly on the apple just to break the force to see if it'll just float on top, but it might not. Haters are gonna hate. Give this a nice little stir. And there you have it, the electric Jack Daniels, okay? Let me hit this, okay? This for all you boys in them dry counties that ain't got no alcohol because you can't drink. I suggest you move, okay? But hey. The only thing I'll tell you, put this in the freezer for a little bit. Don't put it in too long because it can turn slushy. I mean, unless you want it slushy, okay? But this good to go home, boy. This is nice. Who knew Mountain Dew and Jack Daniels? Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, stay tipsy. That's a trademark song, okay? Copywritten, don't y'all sing that anywhere. Later.